3 benefits of using Wise. In this video, I'm going to be telling you 3 reasons why you should use TransferWise. Sending money. Now, in TransferWise, any currency you want, you can send money to any bank you want using any currency, and you will get a very fair exchange rate. You will get the exact same exchange rate you would find on Google, and they only charge you a little bit amount of fee. For example, let's say right here, if I were to, change it to USD from Great British Pounds to USD, and we can see the guaranteed rate over here. Low cost fee, only £4 of fee is going to be charged. This is like the low cost one. Fast and easy transfer is going to cost you 7, and advanced transfer is going to cost you £4. Different. Let's say over here, if I were to transfer £1, it's $0.89. Over here, as you can see, £1 is worth $1.21, and over here we get almost $1. Number 2 is the fees. As you can see, the fees are very low. Each fee, you could go with different costs as well. This one was for fast transaction. If I were to go with low cost, it would only cost me £0.70, not even £1, which is pretty incredible. The third benefit that I was going to tell you, that the transaction speeds are very fast. Let me just log in. So over here, as you can see, I already have $5 in my account, right? And if I were to, let's say, spend this money or send it to another account, I can easily do that. All I would have to do is go into recipients, right? And I could just simply send it. And I just simply click on the send button right here, and then I just choose my recipients. So over here, exactly $5, and my fee is going to be $0.39, and I click on continue, and I just choose some of these recipients. Click on myself and just enter in my details, or I could just simply send it to one of my recipients. They're already added over here. Sending from TransferWise to TransferWise, it doesn't cost us. Simply click on confirm and send. Get this in a matter of seconds. Approve on my phone. Over here, as you can see, I'm sending my dollars, processing right here, and it's sent. That's why I recommend using Wise. And if you want to use Wise, then click the link down in the description below, and you will be able to use TransferWise as well.